In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix ADP app not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to make sure the app can load properly. Next, force close the app and reopen it, or simply restart your iPhone to clear temporary glitches. Next, launch App Store and check if ADP Mobile Solutions has any pending updates, because outdated versions often stop working correctly. If the app still is not working, go to Settings. Scroll down to General, then iPhone Storage, find ADP Mobile Solutions and try offloading the app. This removes temporary files without deleting your login data, then reinstall it again. You should also make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version because compatibility issues can cause login or loading errors. For that, head back. Click on Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. Next, you can check ADP server status. For that, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website like Detector. Search for ADP. If there are any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from their end. Lastly, if nothing works, completely delete the app. Press and hold on the app, select Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Then navigate to App Store, search for the app and download it. And that's it. One of these fixes should get the ADP app working again on an iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.